Hey Flutter devs, welcome back to BLoC Mistakes, the series where we fix one common mistake at a time. Today's mistake is sneaky. It doesn't crash, it doesn't throw errors, but it silently breaks your UI. It's when you forget to use Equatable or set it up wrong. Here is the deal, in a BLoC the UI only rebuilds when the state changes, but how does Flutter know the state changed? It compares the current state with the previous one. If you didn't extend Equatable or forgot to override props list, guess what? There are things both states are equal, even if they are clearly not. You tap a button, you emit a new state, but the UI nothing happens, and now you are staring at the screen wondering why isn't rebuilding? Because the state comparison failed. This is one line, props count, that's what makes Flutter says, yep, the states are different, time to rebuild the UI. And if you missed that line, the rebuild never happened even though you emitted a totally new value. So here's the checklist. Always extend Equatable for your states. Always override the process getter. Always include all fields in the list. That's how you make sure your UI responds correctly to the state changes. It's easy to forget and a pain to debug, so don't skip it. This was a mistake number 5 in the BLoC Mistakes series. Follow for more debug Flutter tips.